Industry Collective to me is just this groundswell of companies across the country coming together for one purpose, to make an impact in the communities, whether it's through packing hygiene kits or back to school packs. I think it's opportunity for companies, landscape companies, sod farming companies to ultimately serve those in a time of need.
Yeah, I think it's super cool for this to be an industry-wide thing. To me, that's just an illustration of the compound effect and how every small choice and every small thing we do adds up together to make a big impact.
This has been an amazing experience. Having gone from the start to the end, I say jump in with both feet.
Yeah, it's huge for us to be able to give back in our local communities. Though we are a big organization, because it's great for us to be able to contribute right here in Flagler County and in local markets all across Yellowstone.